Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Shitun and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we learn lists are mutable and nested lists. How to change values in a list. What is a nested list in Python? How to access individual items in a nested list. Lists are mutable. Changing values in a list with indexes. Lists are mutable. That means that the value of an item in a list can be modified with an assignment statement. We can use an index of a list to change the value at that index. When you modify an item in a list, Python will not generate a new list. That means it modifies the list value directly by overwriting its former value. A list is a sequence type like strings and tuples, but a list differs from them in the way that lists are mutable, but strings and tuples are immutable. Immutable means you cannot modify strings and tuples after they have been created. Example. In this example, a list of 4 items is assigned to the variable A. The following print statement print A will display the list cat, dog, horse, cow. In the next statement, we modified the list by assigning the value rat at index position 1. Similarly, in the next statement, we modified the list by assigning the value deer at index position 2. The following print statement print A will display the modified list cat, rat, deer, cow. The first and second elements of the list are modified. Previously they were dog and horse. Now the new values are rat and deer. Lists are mutable. That means the value of an item in a list can be modified with an assignment statement. We can use an index of a list to change the value at that index. Remember that an attempt to assign a value to a non-existent index will result in an error. For instance, if you assign a value at index position 4, Python will generate an error because your valid indexes are 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we can use an index of a list to change the value at that index, but you cannot create a new element in this way. Nested lists. List can also contain other list values known as multi-dimensional lists or nested lists. The value in these lists of lists can be accessed using multiple indexes. Example. In this example, a nested list is assigned to the variable A. The first print statement, print A, will display the whole list. We can get the length of a list by using the built-in function len in Python. The next print statement, print len A, will display the length of the list. So although we see 6 items in the list, nested has only 2 items. Although a list can contain another list, the nested list still counts as a single element. The length of the list is 2. The statement print A0 will display the first item in the list, which is also a list of 2 items, cat and dog. The statement print A1 will display the second item in the list, which is also a list of 4 items, 1, 2, 3, 4. The print A01 will display the item dog. By supplying 2 indices with A01, we are telling the computer to go get the element at position 0, which is the first item in the list. The first item itself a list of 2 items, cat and dog. And then from that means from the cat and dog, to get the element at position 1, which is dark. So the output will be dark. Similarly, the print A11 will return the value 2. In this case, the computer will go to the element at position 1, which is a list of 4 items 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from that it will access the element at position 1. So the output will be 2. In case of 2 indices, the computer will first go to the position specified at index 1 and extract the value. We get the intermediate result. Then from that intermediate result, the computer will return the value specified at index 2. List can also contain other list values known as multi-dimensional lists or nested lists. The value in these lists can be accessed using multiple indexes. We can use this kind of multiple indexing with nested sequences to get directly to a nested element. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was built-in functions for string in Python. Next video is list operations. Contact us ombigarite27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.